Are your tools covered in dust sitting under your worktop? Yep, mine too. And today I'm going to show you how to avoid that, make your workshop look amazing with a shaker style cupboard door that should only take around 10 minutes to build.
No way.
No way.
No way!
No way.
Now this door isn't going to win any awards for craftsmanship, but it is functional and it looks great when compared to the open dusty space. And it's perfect for a workshop. I've already measured the space and worked out that I need 750 by 310mm wide doors. This allows for a 4mm gap and some overhang as I'm using overlap hinges. I'm using 18mm plywood, which is left over from this bench build, but you could use 15mm or MDF. I'm just using what I have to hand. With the door now cut, I'm ripping some 75mm strips from some 6mm MDF. Quick rub down with some sandpaper. Some glue. Some brad nails. Some people like a workshop to look like the old craftsman's workshop, which is fine, and I love that look too. Some people are happy in a cluttered space where only they know where things are, whilst others want a place for everything and their shop is organised with an OCD-like meticulousness. Everyone is different, and that's exactly as it should be. My aim for this shop when complete is to have a place I can work from where I feel happy and can be productive in a clean, tidy and well organised space. and it's done. There's our door. Is it perfect? No, it's a workshop piece. I'm gonna let this dry, give it a sand, give it a lick of paint, put the hardware on, and it'll be ready to go. I'll link the hinges and the knobs in the description, and the colour of the paint is Urban Nights, which I purchased from Wix. If you have a better or faster way to make these doors, please do let me know in the comments below, and also let me know how you think these doors have come out. In a future video, I'm going to be doing the drawers for the front of this cupboard, so keep an eye out for that. There's also going to be other organisation and storage videos as I work my way through the workshop build. And there we have it, a nice quick shaker door build, and I've got a few things still to do, some voids around the edges that need refilling and painting again. Other than that, it's just a quick build. If you're interested, I'm going to link a playlist right here, and that documents the workshop build from day one to where we're at now.